Welcome to our Seashell channel. I'm Mary Rivera Messina from Philippines. I'm your Seashell florist artist for today. I'm creating seashells art for 25 years. Please support handicraft industry in the Philippines. We can customize any design you want. Just send a message. And for today, DIY, we will create a beautiful seashells like this.
Hi, I'm Grace, your virtual instructor for today's DIY. It's needed: wire cutter, scissor, cutter, airbrush, styro ball, masking tape, glue gun and glue stick, floral wire, floral tape, white glue and sand, polished muffin, bare conch, Melo leaves shape shell, dried sunflower stamen, and Aluco Vertagus side cut shell. Glue the bare conch shell below the bottom of the polished muffin shell. Cut the styro ball into square and put inside into the polished muffin shell. Put a white glue and clean wrap. Put the tip of the shell into white glue and make it circular, then glue it again using hot glue for more security. Do it again the step on the next layer, and put the shell slide up. Using airbrush, spray the shell into color you desired. Cut the dried sunflower stamen and glue into the middle of shell flower. Feel free to arrange the seashell flower and stem. And we are done. Thank you for joining us today. I hope you enjoy me as your virtual instructor for today. See you again in our next seashell DIY. Please like, share and subscribe. Comment below your request DIY. Take care everyone from me, Grace and Mary. Love lots. Stay creative.